everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to Asian Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of arithmetic and geometric progression, and this question has appeared in the CAT 2018 exam. Now the question is as follows: let x, y, z be three positive real numbers in a geometric progression such that x is less than y and y is less than z. If 5x, 16y and 12z are in an arithmetic progression, then the common ratio of the geometric progression is. Now we are provided four options for this question. Option A 1 by 6, option B 3 by 2, option C 5 by 2 and option D 3 by 6. So this was our question that has appeared in the CAT 2018 exam under the topic of arithmetic and geometric progression, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we have provided three positive real numbers x, y and z, and all of them are in geometric progression. Now if they are in geometric progression, we can take the common ratio as r. Now since x is the first term, it remains x. Y can be written as x into r and z can be written as x into r square, where r again is the common ratio. Now we are also provided that 5x, 16y and 12z are in arithmetic progression. Now if three numbers are in arithmetic progression, we can say that twice the middle number is equal to the sum of the first and the last number. So we can say that 32y is equal to 5x plus 12z. Now we have got y and z in terms of x, so we can replace it and write it as 32 into xr is equal to 5x plus 12 into xr square. Now from all these three terms, x can be cancelled out and we have got an equation in terms of r, and it is a quadratic equation, and after solving that we can get the value of r. So let's solve this quadratic equation. So according to our last step, we have got this quadratic equation in terms of r, that is 12r squared minus 32r plus 5, and upon solving it we will get the value of r. Now we can use either of the two methods, first by using the middle term method or second by using the Sridhar formula. Now we will solve this by using the middle term method. Now 32 can be middle term as minus 2 minus 30, because 12 into 5 is equal to 60 and it can be obtained by 2 into 30. So we have middle termed it 32r as minus 2r minus 30r. So we'll get 12r square minus 2r minus 30r plus 5 is equal to 0. Now if we'll take 2r common from the first two terms, we'll get 6r minus 1 as a first bracket, and if we'll take minus 5 common from the last two terms, we'll again get 6r minus 1. So we have got our both brackets as 2r minus 5 and 6r minus 1. So the value of r can either be 5 by 2 or it can be 1 by 6. Now according to our given question, r must be greater than 1 because it is an increasing geometric progression. So the value of r must be 5 by 2 and not 1 by 6. So according to our given option, it is option number C, 5 by 2. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of Asian Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Asian Academy.